All aboard L-Train Express. We are now departing the station. Please tell me you packed your bag. Losing my mind, I don't know what I said. I be hearing these voices inside of my head. I'm just mentally drained, physical pain every day. Losing my mind, I don't know what I said. I be hearing these voices inside of my head. I'm just mentally drained, physical pain every day. Losing my mind, you should be too. Fearing the word, I don't know what to do. My body is just a society thinking that this is progression. They haven't a clue, I don't know where you've been or heard. But I'm speaking my mind, packing that pine, rolling and taking it one at a time, creating my own lane. Chain on the track, remember the name, never look back. Gotta refrain, try to compare, never the same. Just can't help it when I stunt. I'm making moves to show these dudes that they ain't really nothing. I don't do this shit for nothing. I'm losing my mind. Been gone a long time, minority shot. Just read between them lines. All this news in the press, who they trying to impress? Trying to locate my mind so I can deal with all the rest. Just saying, mine been gone a long time, minority shot. Just read between them lines. All this news in the press, who they trying to impress? Trying to locate my mind so I can deal with all the rest. Just saying, things to consider about me. Packing that medical property, balancing chemicals properly, running my city monopoly. I ain't slanging no shins, I'll be causing no pain. If you wanna know names, I'll be talking to me. Chain on the track, I'll be kicking it back, I'll be rolling the pack of that mystery. Mind control. Nothing the money will ever control. I'll be rolling up all day, doing my own way. Tired of rolling, I loaded the grease and I dirty the bowl. There are some things that I cannot recall. That don't be stopping me. Train is about to be rolling through the station. No imitation, nobody do it like me. Got a probation, smoking gasoline, had me feeling kinda dangerous. Lord looking out for me, feeling awfully gracious. Train mentality, that's what separates us. Locals meet Jamaica. Mine been gone a long time, minority shot. Just read between them lines. All this news in the press, who they trying to impress? Trying to locate my mind so I can deal with all the rest. Just saying, mine been gone a long time, minority shot. Just read between them lines. All this news in the press, who they trying to impress? Trying to locate my mind so I can deal with all the rest. Just saying, shooters everywhere, even on your phone screen. I don't pay it no mind, but they always wanna point it out. Losing track of time, gotta figure out my own route. Train up on the track, I've been developing my own sound. Train up on the track, I've been developing my own sound. Actions are frantic, my flow automatically killing it twice, so just adding apostrophe flowing up out of me, always a part of me. In my anatomy, losing my mind, and because of me, agony, coughing so much you would think it's an allergy. Feeling it in my brain, process the name train is a thing that's a part of me. If you came to see a show, then I'm glad you got to see me rolling. Everybody know the name Train. Everybody know me, I ain't playing no games. L-Train. We have left the stage.